Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this tablet through settings. So to get started, obviously let's open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, and then erase all data, factory reset. This will bring up a message letting you know what this process removes. So basically a list right here. Go over it, see if there is anything that you want to keep from this list. If there is, make a copy of it. If there isn't, disregard it by pressing delete all data, then do so once more, and this will now begin factory resetting your tablet. This process should take a couple minutes to finish up, so just give it 3 minutes or so to finish up. Once it is, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.